Hey everybody, thank you for coming back for part 2 of my front camera install. As you know, once I installed everything, I realized that my rear camera was going in and out. The picture was very fuzzy. I was playing with the wires, the picture came back. Reached out to a company and I received the harness that I believe is the problem. So I need to replace the harness right now that's behind my head unit with this harness, and everything should work pretty good. So let's have some fun and let's get it done. So I'm not going to bore you guys with, again, taking the panels out and how I took them out. You guys can see that on my part 1 video, but pretty much it's just taking the control knobs out, the camera control out, and you have 4 10mm bolts that are holding the head unit. So here I pulled it out. I'm taking out the harness that I think is bad and installing the new one. So this time I was also thinking about how I'm gonna do the new wire from the back of the head unit to the switch, but I decided to just cut out the wire from the back of the old harness and connect it to the existing new wire of the new harness. So here I am just cutting it out, making connections and connecting the wires together. So I decided to leave that old wire harness running from the back of the head unit to the switch in place. Just cut out the harness itself and connect the new bundle of wire together using heat shrinks. So this way it will stay intact. Now I'm going to put everything back. I'm just going to tape the RCA wires together using electrical tape, so this way they don't come apart while they're in the back. So I'm going to put everything back, turn on the vehicle, and just making sure that everything works as it should. All right, so here's the final product. You got the rear and the front. So let's check. Hit the front. Hit the rear. It's not bad. Front, rear. Looks good. So originally, I ran this black and red wire from the camera through the firewall and behind the head unit, but I found out that they didn't need to. So I brought this wire. I cut this wire back. They say that if you turn on the vehicle, this wire will give a little power. So what I did, I just looped it and put a heat shrink on it and just heat shrinked it, so this way it doesn't touch any metals and short anything out. The ground wire here, I just ground it to this bolt, and that's it. The rest of the wire is tucked in nicely right there, the connection, and run the wire this way and zip tied it to the rest of the harness, to my grill harness. 13mm bolt where the camera is sitting right over here. It sits right there. It's really tight spot. It's right there, 13mm. It takes a while. Hey everybody, thanks for watching part 2 of this video. So it was nice and easy. Harness went in. I showed you guys where the 13mm nut is. It was really difficult to do with the wrench. Just do it slowly and you'll get it done. It's a little annoying, but you'll be fine. All right guys, take care. Till next time.